So our work involves doing desk research, which means gathering and reviewing information that already exists, such as reports that other researchers have written or academic articles.
We also conduct what we call primary research. This means we ask people to share their views and experiences, for example through a survey or interview, and then we analyse and summarise that information.
We share our research findings with colleagues so they can use them to inform the decisions they make, and so they can share them with the people outside of Barnwood who they work with. We also share findings with people outside of the Trust, for example at events such as the Nature Without Barriers event that we held at Barnwood last year.
Another part of our work is looking for ways in which we can involve experts by lived experience more in our research, and other ways in which we can improve our research practice. We also share what we know about how to make research accessible and inclusive with other researchers to help them develop their practice. So when we are asking people to share their views and experiences, we provide a range of different ways in which they can do that. So for example, if we're conducting a survey which we've created online, we'll also offer the option for people to complete the survey questions over the phone, or if that doesn't work for them, we can have conversations which are more unstructured and still draw in those views and experiences into the research. So when we create materials to share our research findings, we create materials in different formats. So we might create a full-length report as well as an executive summary. We might create an audio version of the report, or a video with British Sign Language interpretation. And we'll also create easy read versions.
Recently we've done some work with some Barnwood Circle members to think about more creative ways of doing research that are more participatory and more accessible and inclusive. These could be different research methods that people aren't as familiar with, and we work with them to try and make them as accessible as possible, while also being involved in the research.